Welcome everyone. Here we discuss about atomic particles. Atomic particles are two types: fundamental particles or stable particles and unstable particles. Fundamental particles are proton, electron and neutron, and unstable particles are positron, meson and neutrino and some other particles. Now first of all, fundamental particles. First, proton. Symbol of proton is 1H1 or 1P1. Charge sign positive. Proton contain 1 unit of positive charge. Charge is equal to plus 1.602 into 10 to the power minus 19 coulomb. Mass of proton is 1.6725 into 10 to the power minus 27 kg. Diameter of proton is 2.4 into 10 to the power minus 15 meter. Position in atom inside the nucleus. Second particle, electron. Symbol -1 E0. Charge sign negative. Electron contains 1 unit of negative charge. Charge minus 1.602 into 10 to the power minus 19 coulomb. Mass of electron 9.11 into 10 to the power minus 31 kg. Diameter of electron 5.6 into 10 to the power minus 15 meter. Position in atom outside nucleus in orbital. Now neutron. Symbol of neutron 0N1. Charge sign neutral. Charge 0. Mass of neutron 1.6725 into 10 to the power minus 27 kg. Diameter of neutron 2.4 into 10 to the power minus 15 meter. Position in atom inside the nucleus. Now unstable particles. First is positron. Positron is an antiparticle of an electron. Symbol of positron is +1 E0, whereas symbol of electron is -1 E0. Positron contains 1 unit of positive charge, whereas electron contains 1 unit of negative charge. Mass of positron is 9.11 into 10 to the minus 31 kg, that is same as electron. Now meson. There are three types of pi meson: positive pi meson, neutral pi meson and negative pi meson. Symbol of positive pi meson is +1 pi 0. Symbol of neutral pi meson is 0 pi 0 and symbol of negative pi meson is -1 pi 0. Charge sign. The charge sign of positive pi meson is +1, that is positive pi meson contains 1 unit of positive charge. Charge sign of neutral pi meson is 0 and charge sign of negative pi meson is -1. Mass of meson 200 times heavier than electron. Now neutrino. Symbol of neutrino is 0 nu 0. Charge sign neutral, that is 0. Mass negligible. Now definition of radioactivity. The phenomenon of emission of radiation as a result of spontaneous disintegration of atomic nuclei was termed radioactivity. Now we discussing about radioactive particles. First is alpha. Symbol 2 alpha 4 or 2 He4. Charge sign +2, that is alpha particle contains 2 units of positive charge. Charge is equal to plus 3.204 into 10 to the power minus 19 coulomb. Mass of alpha particle is 6.69 into 10 to the power minus 27 kg. Mass number of alpha particle is 4. Now beta particle. Symbol of beta particle is -1 beta 0 or -1 E0. Charge sign negative, that is beta particle contain 1 unit of negative charge. Charge is equal to -1.602 into 10 to the power minus 19 coulomb. Mass of beta particle 9.11 into 10 to the power minus 31 kg. Mass number of beta particle is 0. Now gamma particle or gamma ray. Symbol is 0 gamma 0. Charge sign neutral. Charge 0. Mass 0 and mass number 0. Now properties of alpha, beta and gamma rays. First property, penetration power. Alpha particle least, beta particle more than alpha particles, gamma ray greatest. If we comparison the penetration power of alpha, beta and gamma ray, alpha particle is 1, beta particle is 100 and gamma particle is 10,000. Second property, effect of electric and magnetic field. Alpha particle deflected towards negative plate or pole because alpha particle is positively charged. Beta particle deflected towards positive pole or plate because beta particle is negatively charged. Gamma particle not deflected because gamma particle is neutral. Now ionizing power, alpha particle greatest, beta particle less, gamma particle least. If we comparison the ionizing power, alpha particle is 10,000, beta particle is 100 and gamma ray is 1. Kinetic energy, alpha particle high, beta particle small, gamma ray nil. Effect on photographic plate, alpha particle plate becomes black, beta particle plate becomes black, gamma ray plate becomes black. Effect on zinc sulfate and barium platinocyanate, alpha particle luminosity is produced, beta particle less luminosity is produced, gamma ray least luminosity is produced. Now emission of alpha, beta, gamma ray and positron. Here we see what happened when an atom emitted alpha, beta, gamma ray or positron, and what changes occur in atomic number, in mass number and in periodic table. First is alpha particle. Symbol is 2 alpha 4 or 2 He4. Suppose that mother element is Z M A, where Z is the atomic number of mother element A is the mass number of mother element and M is the symbol of mother element. If this mother element emitted an alpha particle, the resulting daughter element is Z minus 2 M A minus 4. That is, change in atomic number decreased by 2 units, therefore Z minus 2. Change in mass number decreased by 4 units, therefore A minus 4. And change in periodic table displaced 2 places to the left. Now beta particle, symbol is minus 1 beta 0 or minus 1 E 0. Mother element as earlier ZMA. When the mother element ZMA emits a beta particle, the resulting daughter element is Z plus 1 MA. Change in atomic number increased by 1 unit, therefore Z plus 1. Change in mass number unchanged, therefore mass number of daughter element A. Change in periodic table displays 1 place to the right. Now gamma particle, symbol 0 gamma 0. Mother element as earlier ZMA. When this mother element emitted gamma particle, the resulting daughter element is ZMA. Change in atomic number unchanged, therefore atomic number of daughter element is Z. Change in mass number unchanged, therefore mass number of daughter element is A, and change in periodic table unchanged. Now positron, symbol plus 1 E 0. Mother element as earlier ZMA. Change in atomic number now daughter element is Z minus 1 MA. Change in atomic number decreased by 1 unit, therefore atomic number of daughter element is Z minus 1. Change in mass number unchanged, therefore mass number of daughter element is A. Change in periodic table displays 1 place to the left. Now we see the example of emission of alpha particle. Polonium is an element whose atomic number is 84 and mass number is 215. When polonium emits an alpha particle, the newborn daughter element is lead, whose atomic number is 82 and mass number is 211. That is, here atomic number decreased by 2 units and mass number decreased by 4 units. The position of polonium in periodic table in period 6 and in group 16, and the position of lead in periodic table in period 6 and in group 14. That is, newborn daughter element lead displays 2 places to the left in the periodic table. Now see the second example. Uranium is an element whose atomic number is 92 and mass number is 238. When uranium emits a alpha particle, the newborn daughter element is thorium, whose atomic number is 90 and mass number is 234. Here also atomic number decreased by 2 units, that is from 92 to 90, and mass number decreased by 4 units, that is 238 to 234. The position of uranium in the periodic table in period 7 and in group 6, and the position of newborn daughter element thorium in periodic table in period 7 and in group 4, that is, newborn daughter element thorium displays 2 places to the left in the periodic table. Now we see the emission of beta particle. Carbon is an element whose atomic number is 6 and mass number is 14. When this carbon element emits a beta particle, the newborn daughter element is nitrogen, whose atomic number is 7 and mass number is 14. Here, atomic number increased by 1 unit, that is from 6 to 7, and mass number remain unchanged. The position of carbon in periodic table in period 2 and in group 14, and the position of nitrogen in periodic table in period 2 and in group 15, that is newborn daughter element nitrogen displaces one place right to the periodic table. Now see the second example. Neptunium is an element whose atomic number is 93 and mass number is 239. When this neptunium emits a beta particle, the newborn daughter element is plutonium, whose atomic number is 94 and mass number is 239. Here also atomic number increased by 1 unit, that is from 93 to 94, and mass number remain unchanged. The position of neptunium in the periodic table in period 7 and in group 7, whereas the position of the newborn daughter element, that is plutonium, in period 7 and in group 8, that is newborn daughter element plutonium displaces one place to the right in the periodic table. Now emission of gamma particle. Cobalt is an element whose atomic number is 27 and mass number is 60. When this cobalt element emits a gamma ray, the new formed daughter element is also cobalt, whose atomic number is 27 and mass number is 60. That is, atomic number and mass number remains unchanged. The position of this cobalt element is in period 4 and in group 9, and the position of the new formed daughter element, this cobalt, in period 4 and in group 9, that is position in the periodic table remain unchanged of the mother element and the daughter element. You see in the left hand side of the arrow, that is this cobalt is indicated by a star mark, which indicates that this cobalt is in the radioactive state or in the metastable state. After emitting a gamma ray, it forming a new daughter element, this cobalt element is in the stable state or in the normal state. Now see the second example. Protactinium is an element whose atomic number is 91 and mass number is 234. When this protactinium emits a gamma ray, the newborn daughter element is also protactinium, whose atomic number is 91 and mass number is 234. That is, mass number and atomic number remains unchanged. And also see the position of this protactinium element in period 7 and in group 5, and the position of the newborn protactinium element in period 7 and in group 5, that is position in the periodic table of the mother element and the daughter element remain unchanged. And this protactinium is indicated by a star mark, which indicates that this protactinium is in the metastable state or in the radioactive state. After emitting gamma ray, this forms this protactinium element which is in the stable state. Now emission of positron particle. Nitrogen is an element whose atomic number is 7 and mass number is 13. When this nitrogen emits a positron, the newborn formed daughter element is carbon, whose atomic number is 6 and mass number is 13. That is, atomic number decreased by 1 unit from 7 to 6 and mass number remain unchanged. The position of nitrogen in the periodic table in period 2 and in group 15, and the position of the newborn daughter element, that is carbon, in periodic table in period 2 and in group 14, that is new one daughter element displays one place left in the periodic table. Now see the second example. Iodine is an element whose atomic number is 53 and mass number is 121. When this iodine emits a positron particle, the new one daughter element is tellurium, whose atomic number is 52 and mass number is 121. Here also atomic number is decreased by 1 unit, that is from 53 to 52, and mass number remains unchanged. The position of iodine in the periodic table in period 5 and in group 17, and the position of the new one daughter element, that is tellurium, in periodic table in period 5 and in group 16, that is new one daughter element tellurium, displays one place to the left in the periodic table. Thank you.